Everybody, I'm Roel, Program Manager at Xeikon, and I'm really excited to explain you our newest Cheetah 2.0 technology developed for the label market. Cheetah 2.0 technology is based on Xeikon's proven single-pass full rotary architecture. It's a scalable and modular design that delivers some of the most productive presses in the market. Let me now explain some of the cornerstones of Xeikon's Cheetah 2.0 technology. The printing station has a maximum process speed of 30 meters a minute or 98 feet a minute. The developer station ensures a color consistency across and along the web at the highest tolerance at any given coverage. The LED-based imaging head can print at resolutions of 1200 x 3600 dpi in widths of 220 to 512 millimeters and creates an image quality comparable to gravure and offset. The Cheetah toner is designed for the higher speed and ensures the highest image quality on challenging substrates. Due to its chemistry, size, and absence of any liquids, it's the most suitable digital technology for food packaging. The toner is also environmentally friendly as it emits no VOCs and requires only a limited amount of energy. The Cheetah 2.0 has a man-machine interface to communicate with the operator and machine-machine interface to send data to other in- and offline converting modules. The cloud connection allows reporting on performance, quality, and consumption, which can later be used for data-driven decision-making. The machine is designed for the highest OEE by choosing more reliable components, better engine conditioning, and easy accessibility. The fusing section is built with higher tolerances to create a more stable quality and has a cooling drum to expand the application range. The quality management system guards process colors, spot colors, and also color-to-color registration to minimize waste on press. So Cheetah 2.0 technology is really the basis for digital label printing, with high performance, high quality, high sustainability, and high reduction of waste, and lowering the cost of print. And we packed it with a bunch of technical features to make it all happen. It is Xeikon's future platform for the label industry.